Right, shall we start? Today is the first lesson of GEOG 4123.3 Theoretical and Applied Geography. So I think you can hear me and as well as you can see the screen. Is it okay? Can you see the screen?
Yeah, yes, Reverend.
Yes. So this is one of the important course units you should follow in your final year first semester, because actually this is not the new one fundamentally when we talk about why from the first year to the fourth year we learn different systematic subjects. We learn different theories related to, associated with that systematic subjects in the field of physical geography and the human geography. You learn different theories of subdisciplines of physical geography such as geomorphology, geology, hydrology, climatology, so on and so forth. As well as you learn different theoretical backgrounds with human subfields like settlements, urban, social, agricultural, industrial geography, etc. What we expect to do with this course unit is we try to understand well that learn theoretical backgrounds, and we try to learn how we can apply that theoretical knowledge into the ground situation in the real to understand the real situation of the world. So the main purpose of this course unit is to disseminate the knowledge of geographic theories and apply that theories into the real ground. On the other hand, we can say the main objective of this course unit to combine and synthesize different theories we learn from subdisciplines of geography and try to apply those theories into the real situation for seeking better solutions for the issues and for applying to understand the real situation of the earth. That is the main purpose of this theoretical and applied geography course unit. The role of the lecturer in this regard is very minimum, but students, you should explore your knowledge through our guidelines. You are the person who collect a lot of information from outside world so that you could explore your knowledge on theoretical and applied geography. There are so many resources related to these concepts, theories of applied geography. Therefore, at the beginning, you have to collect a lot of information and you should keep notes very clearly, and you have to maintain, you should maintain your notes with the important lessons I teach, as well as activities you have to do on time, and you have to keep the results of that activity with your notes and some external and suggested readings you have to follow so that to complete the objective of this course unit. Therefore, I suppose you will be aware of the fundamental features, phenomenon, elements, both physical and human world. The practical knowledge is very important in this regard. I will show later in another lesson which type of questions you have to face in your final examination. How you can interpret the theoretical knowledge into the ground situation. How you can apply the theories of geography into the ground situation. That is the main purpose. We evaluate your practical knowledge. After completion of this course unit, you will be able to understand and practice how you can apply the theories of geography into the real world. Before to start today's lesson, let me take few minutes to explain the content of this course unit. Here is the course content of Theoretical and Applied Geography. The course title is GEOG 4123.3 Theoretical and Applied Geography, even though here just only mention the Applied Geography. This is 3 credit course units. Accordingly, you will have 30-hour lectures and 15-hour tutorials with the support of 4 of us lecturers. I will be the in charge of this course unit, and we have 3 other collaborative lecturers. Head of the department, Dr. Shanta Vijay Singh, will conduct 2 lectures on application of geographical thought and methodology. And Dr. H.N. Hettiaraj, one of our senior lecturers in the Department of Geography, will conduct 4 lectures under the very specific topics as we discussed in this course outline. And senior lecturer Mr. B.A.C. Kumar also will conduct a lecture under the theme of Applied Physical Geography. So we expect you to aware the lectures, and you have to attend the lectures, and you have to follow the instructions given by each lecturer in relation to particular themes. And there will be several activities and tutorials as well as the assignments. The evaluation process of this course unit is basically focuses both summative assessments and end semester examination. The continuous assessments will be more important one. Up to 40% of 40% of all marks will be given for assignments, while 60% for end semester examination. I'll explain which type of questions you will have at the end of this course unit, at the exam. So those are the things we should consider about the course outline of the course unit, right? Why I explain these themes, course outline, we all cannot explain, teach each and every topic of this course outline. Just we give guidelines. We show this is the way you have to seek the knowledge. You have to find the knowledge. You are the person who collect the relevant information, who try to understand the topics very comfortably by using different sources. It's up to you, right? It's up to you. Therefore, you should concern all these topics. When you have a news item, when you just read a research paper, please make sure whether those are relevant to these topics. Most of the time, when we hear a news item, when we read something of the contemporary world, most probably all those knowledge can apply to this course content. That is very, very important, right? Okay, this is the course content. Do you have any questions about this course content? Please ask me if you have any clarification about these topics we discussed. As I explained, we have 7 themes in this course outline. Introduction to theoretical and applied geography, the progression of geographical thought, application of geographical thought and methodology, project planning, evaluation and monitoring, applied physical geography, applied cultural geography, synthesizing physical and cultural landscapes. Those are the 7 themes which will be covered within this 45-hour lecture and tutorials. Right, that's it. Any question? Before go to the next part of the lesson, I ask you to clarify. If you have any clarification, you can ask questions.